What is an accident? Whenever you browse in Autowini, you will find some vehicles that has this special keyword as in no accident. Now, let's see what does no accident stand in Autowini. According to the Automobile Management Act, there are two types of accidents. These two definitions depends on the type of damage the car has received. First, you have accidents that have damaged the body, frame, chassis, or skeleton of the vehicle. These are more severe. And the second definition is accidents that only hit the external areas, such as panels or replaceable pieces. In the case of Autowini, for vehicles with no accidents, they stand for vehicles that have not suffered accidents in their chassis, body, frame, or skeleton. Although, upon further inspection on the seller, you may find that the car has some pieces replaced. Although this could be related to an accident or just simply pass of time, this will be found on the seller inspection report or any report you request from Autowini under the terms here. R, in this case, stands for replacement or that a piece has been replaced. For more information about the inspections and on the cars available in Autowini, you can refer to our customer support and request for any type of additional inspections, or find the special vehicles that already provide this seller inspection directly.
Autowini.